Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to unpair earbud in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to unpair this earbud, so as you can unpair it. And guys, now let's see how to unpair earbud in Vivo phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair this earbud. Then guys, click on guys Bluetooth and device setting. Guys, click on Bluetooth. So as you can see guys, we have paired these earbuds and guys we will unpair. So guys, click on the setting option and guys click on forget option. So with this earbud guys, you can unpair in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair earbud in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends, bye.